What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Tectonic, which has taken a little dip after the major pump that took place a couple of days ago, as you can see here. So it is down just about 3% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but there's been a lot of news going around with this crypto that is going to pump soon. Most people are just holding on to it before it goes big, so on and so on. So I'm going to give you guys my take, my predictions, and what I think 2023 has in store for Tectonic. Is it going to pump? Is it going to go 10x, 100x, and so on? And is it a good investment right now? Have I invested into it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022 as well, and seeing if it's a good investment. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we can see here Tectonic has taken quite of a dip in the last hour itself, as you can see, over a percentage down. Over the last day, just about 3% down, and over the week it is still 68% up, guys. And we can see it hitting over 100% about 2 days ago on the 5th of January. Took a little dip, pumped back up in value over 100% again, and then started to take a little dip, and right now currently trading at this value here, and it is still 68% up, and over the month it is still 44% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down quite majorly, guys. 83% down. Currently the trading volume is $498,000, which is not much compared to how much it was trading at before, over $1 million. However, because it's taken a little dip in value, most people are just holding on to it. They're not buying it, they're not selling it, because of course there's no point selling it right now after it's taken a dip. So most people are just holding on to the crypto and waiting for it to either take a major dip to buy the dip, or just to pump up in value to sell it. So there's no point trading it right now, and hence why the trading volume has gone down by a massive 83%. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Tectonic here in purple, currently sitting at 0.010. However, it is trading at much higher value at here in green, 0.0 and then 1.4, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected, and it is still above the average SMA indicator. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, as usual, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? As you can see, it's been quite of a wave up, down, up, and then right now coming back down in value. So over the coming 12 hours, I'm expecting a similar pattern to go along or repeat itself along 12 to 14 hours. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting the crypto to be more or less take a little dip from where it is at the moment, but again, nothing major, potentially dropping down to about 0.00013 or 12, somewhere in between here. Again, we are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So even if you compare it from about 10 to 12 hours ago, it was trading around this value here, and it has taken quite of a drop, and the drop is likely to carry on. But again, it's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still not looking too great. We do have the blue line going in a bearish direction. Sorry, not bearish. Yeah, bearish, sorry. Getting confused here. So yeah, bearish direction, and so is the orange line. Is flat out right now, but we can see that it is about to head downwards. So both the lines are essentially going in a negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is expected over the coming days. So next 7-8 days towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Tectonic to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Nothing too major, but again, it doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. We are going to see green days when it's up, red days when it's down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal drop in value on Tectonic over the next 7-8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we are looking quite bullish, very bullish indeed. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction. However, this can only mean one thing, guys. It is not too realistic. Again, as you can see, it's only basing it off the last 3, 4, 5 days where it pumped up in value. So the graph is going in a bullish direction, looking quite steep as well, meaning it is not realistic. So yes, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value on Tectonic over the coming weeks, so here I'm talking about late February 2023 to early March, I'm expecting a minimal increase in value. I'm not expecting a major pump or anything like that, especially that the way it's been performing in 2022 last year. As you can see, major drops have been taking place last year, and at the moment it's pumped up in value, but again nowhere near where it was trading at this time last year. So again, it is likely to drop back down in value over the coming months. And for those of you asking, is this a safe investment? Personally, I don't think so, guys. And for those of you asking, is it going to 10x? Is it going to 100x? Personally, even if it does, it's going to straight away drop back down in value. I'm not holding on to it at the moment. I haven't even invested into it because I need to do more research, more analysis around the cryptocurrency, as I don't believe it is a crypto for the long term, especially that the way it's been performing. As you can see, major peaks out of nowhere and then straight away drops back down, peaks, another peak here, and it is over the coming days, I'm expecting it to slightly drop back down in value as well, as I mentioned earlier. So again, I wouldn't say this is a safe cryptocurrency. However, that does not mean I'm telling you guys not to invest or to invest. Is entirely up to you what you guys want to do. If you guys believe in the projects and you've done your research and analysis and believe that, you know, you can 10x or you can make a decent amount of return on investment, even a 5x or 2x or whatever it is, go for it. But again, make sure to do your research and analysis before you invest into the crypto, and especially that the crypto market is a very volatile market. Even cryptos like Bitcoin and so on, as you can see, it's dropped from 60k to 16k right now. Again, that doesn't mean I don't believe in Bitcoin. Of course I do, but again, it's just to show you guys how volatile the crypto market can be. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Tectonic, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys predict this crypto to hit in 2023, and let me know, are you guys investing, are you guys selling, or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff before you click off the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.